In this video, we are going to show you how to make this awesome opening slide in PowerPoint where the title and subtitle appears behind the object in your picture. Let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Picture. Here I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select and insert it. Go back to Insert, select text box. Write PPT here. Select and change the font. Make it bold and increase the font size. Change the font color. Also center your content. Now press Ctrl Shift. Take it to downside. Decrease font size. Write presentation here. Select picture. Press Ctrl Shift and duplicate the picture. Go to Format, then Align Center. Go to Crop and crop the picture like this, as I am cropping. And click on Outside. Click on right button, duplicate the slide, and by selecting both text boxes, set them outside the slide. And place the second slide above the first number. Also select second slide, go to Transition and select Morph. Increase duration also. Click on right button, select New Slide. Go back to Insert, select text box. Write Golden Gate Bridge here. Select and change the font. Make it bold and increase font size also. Also center your content. Go to Insert again, select text box and add information about the Golden Gate Bridge here. I am just taking this as an example. You can take it for other slides also as you want. Increase the font size. Press Ctrl Shift. Take it right side. Go to Transition and select Push Transition. Increase duration also. Now go to first slide. Now let's click on slideshow. Once you click on the slide, your title and subtitle will come from the behind the object. And when you click again, the actual content of your topic will open. Yes, that looks very beautiful and easy to create, right? If you like the video, then like it and subscribe to the channel and don't forget to watch other videos also. Thank you.